question. Y dash is equal to x square root y. So y dash can be written as dy by dx. This is equal to x square into root y. Separating x and y, that is dy by root y is equal to x square into dx. Now integrating on both sides, that is integral dy by root y is equal to integral x square dx. Now this 1 by root y can be written as integral y raised to minus 1 by 2 dy, which is equal to integral x square dx. Now integral y raised to minus 1 by 2 is y raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now same way x square is x cube by 3 plus c. Now this is y raised to 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Now 2 root y is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. It is given that y of 0 equal to 1. That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Now substituting in our general solution, it is 2 into root 1 is equal to 0 by 3 plus c. The value of c is 2. Now substitute the value in this equation, that is 2 root y is equal to x cube by 3 plus 2. Now I am taking this 2 to the right hand side, that means root y is equal to x cube by 6 plus 1. Now squaring on both sides, y is equal to x cube by 6 plus 1 whole square. This is our required solution.
Before going to this question, let's know what is explicit. An explicit solution is a solution where the dependent variable can be separated. For example, x plus 2y equal to 0 is explicit because if y is dependent, I can write it as y is equal to minus x by 2 and y has been separated. And implicit means when the dependent variables cannot be separated. For example, sine of x plus e raised to y is equal to 5y. Now let us solve the
Question. Express the ordinary differential equation x raised to minus 3y dash minus 4y square equal to 0, where x not equal to 0 in the explicit form. The equation is x raised to minus 3y dash minus 4y square is equal to 0. X raised to minus 3 y dash is equal to 4y square. Now y dash is equal to 4y square by x raised to minus 3. This can be also written as y dash is equal to 4x cube y square. This is how we express the ordinary differential equation in the explicit form. Question. Find a general solution to y dash plus 36x is equal to 0. Question is y dash plus 36x is equal to 0. Y dash can be written as dy by dx, that is y dy by dx plus 36x is equal to 0. Y dy by dx is equal to minus 36x. That is, you can separate x and y. Y dy is equal to minus 36x dx. Integrating on both sides, integral y dy equal to integral minus 36x dx. Integral y is y square by 2. Minus 36 you can take outside. Integral x is x square by 2 plus c. Or you can write as y square is equal to minus 36 x square plus 2c. Or y square is equal to minus 36x square plus c dash, where c dash is equal to 2c. This is your required answer.
From this 2 video, we can conclude that from section A of Unit 1, first order ordinary differential equation, most of the questions are based on the topic variable separable and exact differential equation. So you can easily score 1 mark.